टॉक्ड अबाउट द बेसिक स्कीम ऑफ स्पर्म जनरेशन, तो उसके बारे में आज थोड़ा डिटेल में बात करेंगे. So there are some primary sex organs. What are primary sex organs? Which are primarily responsible for the generation of gametes. For example, testis in case of male is responsible for the generation of sperm. That's why it is a primary sex organ. And ovary in case of female is responsible for the formation of ovum. That is the gamete. That's why ovary is primary sex organs of female. Okay, so testis and ovary are the primary sex organs. Now let's talk about the spermatogenesis process. It starts with male germ cell. हमने बात की थी about the seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules is lined inside by two type of cell. Number one is male germ cell and number two is Sertoli cells. Okay, the male germ cells are also known as spermatogonia. Okay, spermatogonia, which are diploid in nature. So spermatogonium cells यहाँ पर present होंगे, and there are different type of cells as well which are known as Sertoli cell, which are elongated. Okay, so there are cuboidal in shape spermatogonium and somewhat elongated cells which are known as Sertoli cell. So जो spermatogonia है उनमें क्या होगा, they will grow, okay, and they will differentiate into the sperm with a process named spermatogenesis. Okay, and the spermatogenesis begins at puberty. Why at puberty? Because the amount of gonadotropic hormones is more at puberty. So that particular increase in gonadotropins, induce the process of spermatogenesis. जैसे ही गोनेडोट्रोपिक हॉर्मोन्स इंक्रीज होंगे, स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस को इंक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा, स्टार्ट कर दिया जाएगा. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ प्यूबर्टी spermatogenesis will start and the spermatogonium will get transformed into sperms, okay, which is the main gamete. Now let's talk about the process of spermatogenesis. The spermatogenesis is completed in three phases. There are three phases of spermatogenesis. The first one is multiplicative or proliferative phase, where the spermatogonia will divide with the help of mitosis. Okay, जो इक्वेशनल डिवीजन है माइटोसिस, उसकी हेल्प से स्पर्मेटोगोनियम जो है वो डिवाइड करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. After that there will be growth in the diploid spermatogonium that will form some specialized cells which are known as primary spermatocytes. और उसके बाद उनमें क्या होगी, प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स में मैच्योरेशन होगी, and that maturation will leads to the production of final spermatozoa और sperms. So अब थोड़ा डिटेल में बात करते हैं कैसे क्या होता है spermatogenesis प्रोसेस में. So it starts at the time of puberty. These are spermatogonia और मेल जर्म सेल विच आर डिप्लॉयड. ओके, तो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया में क्या होगा, माइटोसिस होगी. सो इट विल फॉर्म टू स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, अगेन माइटोसिस एंड देन फोर स्पर्मेटोगोनिया, एंड सिमिलरली मैनी प्रोसेस विल टेक प्लेस लाइक दिस. So this is the multiplicative phase number 1, because the multiplication is taking place with the help of mitosis process. So this is the multiplicative or proliferative phase. After that क्या होगा, there will be growth. So these are also spermatogonium, okay, and all of them are going to be diploid. Why? Because they are dividing with the help of mitosis and there is no reduction in the number of chromosome after mitosis. So जाहिर सी बात है डिप्लॉयड स्पर्मेटोगोनियम डिप्लॉयड ही रहेगा, बट देयर नंबर विल इंक्रीज. आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी ग्रोथ फेज, दैट इज द सेकेंड फेज. ओके, so the spermatogonia will increase in size and it is now called as primary spermatocyte. So only size is increased, there is no change in the number of chromosome, that's why it is also diploid. सो काफ़ी बार ये भी पूछ लिया जाता है स्पर्मेटोगोनिया इज हैप्लॉइड और डिप्लॉइड, प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, स्पर्मेटिड आर हैप्लॉइड और डिप्लॉइड. सो यू मस्ट रिमेंबर द बेसिक प्रोसेस, क्योंकि प्रोसेस अगर याद हो गया तो कौन सा चीज़ हैप्लॉइड है कौन सा डिप्लॉइड ये आप खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो स्पर्मेटोगोनिया इज डिप्लॉइड, इट इज डिवाइडिंग बाय माइटोसिस, सो ऑब्वियसली all these cells are also be going to be diploid. इसके बाद सिर्फ साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, देर इज नो चेंज इन द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, सो प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट्स आर ऑल्सो डिप्लॉयड. ओके, सो देर इज ग्रोथ फेज, sorry, multiplicative or proliferative phase, and the second one is growth phase. Now there is maturation phase. So this is one primary spermatocyte. Okay, we have taken one primary spermatocyte which will now divide with the help of meiosis 1. And what do we know about meiosis 1? It is known as a reductional division. Matlab the chromosome number will become half. So it will yield two secondary spermatocytes which are going to be haploid. क्यों? क्योंकि the primary spermatocyte is divided with the help of meiosis 1, so the chromosome number is reduced. So the secondary spermatocytes are haploid. After that there is meiosis 2 in secondary spermatocyte which will form spermatid. These are haploid. यहाँ पर भी meiosis हो रही है, but why these are haploid? Because meiosis 2 is equational division, it is not reductional. So there is no change in the number of chromosome in meiosis 2. ओके अगर मियोसिस 2 में भी रिडक्शन होती सो द फाइनल आउटकम विल बी n/2 विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स व्हाई मियोसिस 1 इज रिडक्शनल डिवीजन, मियोसिस 2 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू माइटोसिस दैट इज नोन एज इक्वेशनल डिवीजन. सो हमारे पास यहाँ पर आ गए हैं 4 स्पर्मेटिड, ओके 4 स्पर्मेटिड एंड दीज आर हैप्लॉइड because meiosis 2 is equational meiosis, okay, which is equivalent to mitosis. So this particular phase is known as the development phase or maturation phase. Okay, after that these are spermatids, the end product of the maturation phase. After that they will going to be differentiated into motile sperms. These are round and non-motile. The sperms or spermatozoa are motile as well as elongated, having a tail. So there is a differentiation process which will convert spermatids into spermatozoa, and this process is known as spermiogenesis. There is difference between spermato and spermiogenesis. Spermatogenesis का मतलब the conversion of spermatogonia into spermatids, यहाँ तक का process. But the process of conversion of spermatids into spermatozoa is known as spermiogenesis. This is very very important. काफ़ी बार पूछा जाता है, तो spermiogenesis को ध्यान में रखना है. Now this is the final product, that is haploid sperms or simply spermatozoa. Okay, there is another process that is known as spermiation. तो spermiation में क्या होता है? The heads of these sperms will be getting embedded into Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell में embedded हो जाएंगे, and after that the sperms are released from that place. Okay, sperms जो है seminiferous tubule से release हो जाएंगे. That process is known as spermiation. So now there is an diagram given in NCERT. Let's have a look. So